Morning assembly is a vital component of a school's daily routine. It is a gathering of students, teachers, and staff that takes place at the beginning of the day, aimed at fostering a sense of community, unity, and purpose. Through morning assembly, students are instilled with values such as discipline, punctuality, and respect for one another. It is an opportunity for students to develop their social and emotional skills such as teamwork, communication, and leadership. Morning assembly typically includes various activities such as prayer or meditation, national anthem or school song, inspirational quotes or messages, announcements and updates, recognition of student achievements, cultural performances or presentations. These activities help create a positive and inclusive environment, setting a tone for a productive and successful day. Morning assembly also provides a platform for students to showcase their talents, build confidence, and develop a sense of pride in their school community. In conclusion, morning assembly is an essential part of a school's daily life, promoting unity, inspiration, and a sense of belonging among students, teachers, and staff. Plays a significant role in shaping students' minds and preparing them for a bright future. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe my channel and like my video.